Disclaimer for the video coming up here. Most of the products you're going to see here are available in the US market for Young Living, and you can get them on the NFR, which is not for resale, but for personal use on the Canadian market. You just simply switch your country to US and then go into the NFR market. Okay, so here we go. Hey guys, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. Last week, I did your DIY Summer Essentials for Summer Survival. I showed you DIY hacks and how to make your own stuff. This week, I'm going to show you the Young Living products you can actually get. If you do not have time to make your own stuff, fear not, we've got you covered. So, I'm out in the sun in my pool in the backyard. I'm going to start with my mineral sunscreen made by Young Living. There is no chemicals in this. You can actually use it. It works. It's fantastic. It feels nice on the skin, rubs in easily, and goes a long way. So here you go. Mineral sunscreen. We're going to start there. Then after I'm in the pool and I've been in it for a while and I'm in and out of the water dunking myself, I'm going to use my After Sun spray. This stuff is incredible. It feels like a cold cloth coming on your skin if you got a little bit burnt because you forgot a spot, and the sun always finds that spot, doesn't it? Like right here or somewhere that you just didn't get the sunscreen, right? So the After Sun spray is going to cool it right down and you'll be good to go. Also with the lavender in there, it's gonna heal your skin. Bonus. Okay, now I like to float around in those floaties that are behind me here and just drift around sometimes after work. So we get a lot of mosquitoes, and I did show you how to make your own bug spray in the last video. This video, I'm going to go and concentrate again on Young Living products. They have an insect repellent, you betcha, and this stuff is effective. So if you don't want to make your own, Young Living's got you covered with the bug spray. It's non-chemicals, of course, no DEET or anything that's going to take off your nail polish. We don't need things that are going to take off our nail polish when we just want to repel mosquitoes, right? There's your sign. Use stuff that is natural and that won't happen, and you know you're putting good things on your skin that are actually effective. All right, so there you go. There's our insect repellent. Now when I'm out of this, I'm gonna go shower off. We use a salt-based pool. We don't use a chlorine pool. It's a lot healthier for the skin. You don't feel all dry and crusty after and have that stink, but still you're gonna want to wash off, right? It's like you're sharing a giant bath with people, so just get, clean. I'm gonna use some coconut lime body butter. I'm gonna rub this on my arms and my skin, wherever I feel a bit dry, but on the legs where I'm getting older, and yes, I don't work out as much as I should, and I do love working out, I just sometimes don't make time for it. You get me? Yeah? Okay. Young Living thought of that, and we have Cellulite Magic. Now this stuff is infused with grapefruit oil. Did you know? Grapefruit oil is really good for flattening cellulite pockets. It's true. So the Cellulite Magic, this is a massage oil you can get from Young Living. It is amazing and very effective. I haven't had the chutzpah to do a before and after, but I think I will post a picture of before and after, say the beginning of using this, maybe a week later of using it every day, so you can actually see the transition of our fat pockets just flattening out and not having that cottage cheese looking back leg. Not a big fan of that. I'm sure you're not either. So there you go. These are the summer products that I choose to use. There are plenty of other DIY recipes out there. There are other sun products you can get from Young Living. Oh, skincare products as well. These are the ones that I choose to use. Now, if you need more information about this, reach out to me. I love answering questions. Also, on my website, you can go there. You can get your own sun safety kit from Young Living if you do not want to make your own. We got you covered. Now, feel free to ask me questions. Don't hesitate, and make sure you subscribe. Got to hit that like button if you like what I'm doing, and subscribe. You don't want to miss another video. These are pretty cool. I keep doing them, and also open to suggestions. If there is a topic you would like me to cover, do not hesitate to let me know about it, and I will get to work on it pretty much right away, unless there's quite a few. coming in at one time. All right, until then, stay safe and happy oiling.